Oh, your line's good? Okay, perfect.
Okay, so tell me about Flexi.
He's just switching up on me.
I tell you what, I've been watching you since I was like a little kid.
Yeah?
Yeah, every time you're in that boat, you're great. I mean,
Have you used it?
have I? No, no, I have. My dad did,
Okay.
but I haven't used it. My dad loves the stuff.
It's okay?
Yeah,
So
he
what does
does.
he use it on? What
Well,
kind
he
of
uses it on
application
roof
does he
leaks
have?
and gutters, and he uses it on a lot of different things.
Yeah.
But I got to tell you, I've seen you growing up the whole time, and you're my idol. Can I get a hug?
I appreciate that. All right. Gentlemen, welcome to SEMA 2025. My name is Noel. I'm here with Phil Swift, the Flex Seal guy. I'm sure you know him, but seeing him here at SEMA. Now, Phil, being at SEMA, I know you're here because you want to meet fan. You know Flex Seal has a lot of fan base.
They sure do, yeah.
But you being here at SEMA, why SEMA? Because you guys, the company could have exhibition and so many other events and conventions and stuff like that. But why did you decide to show up here?
Well, every time I come to SEMA, I always meet the best fans. I mean, they're genuine and they're happy, and I'm very lucky because when I meet and greet the people, they always show their best self. They always give me their best side. They're happy. They love the product. They love the brand. They're excited to meet me. So I love it. I enjoy it. You know, people say, "Are you tired and you're doing this all day?" I'm like, "No, I love it. I love meeting the people." So I get inspired by them.
Is it something about the car culture or just something about automotive itself, or maybe just SEMA, the way the event is put together that just allow people to come here already with a smile and just expect to see all the innovation, all the ideas of the creation that, you know, because I think that's the thing about SEMA. It allows a lot of dreams, a lot of creation, a lot of creativity that people have to be put in display for others to appreciate. So when people comes here, they're like, I want to see what's the craziest thing, you know, that someone built.
Right. Well, you know, people don't use our products just for the home. They're fixing their boats, they're fixing their cars, they're fixing motorcycles. So SEMA's a perfect fit for us. Plus, right now we are introducing a new automotive line.
Ooh.
So we just came out with a brand new line of automotive products.
Okay.
In fact, if you look here,
Yes.
you can see the whole line of products.
Okay.
And yeah, we're introducing, people love it, and it's going to be big. So the same high quality products you find in our regular core products,
Yeah.
you're going to see in the new automotive line. You'll see them in all the big retailers, all the auto stores. Yeah, you'll be able to buy them wherever you want them.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, thank you very much for taking a few minutes
You got
to
it.
chat with us here. Welcome to SEMA. How many times have you been to SEMA?
Right, probably a half a dozen, probably six
Yeah.
times. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well,
I love it.
Always great to see you. Always good to have you here at SEMA.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you for taking a minute.
Pleasure.
All right.